Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine clips in Filmora. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Filmora. Click here and you need to, so these are the clips that I want to add. So select the clips and import into the Filmora. And you need to hold that and drag here. So click on match to media. Select this one and here you can see. And if you want, you can add transition between these two clips from here. So let me add this dissolve. I think it's look great, so let me show you the final result. So this is the process how you can combine clips in Filmora. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.